So this will be my screen. So today we'll talk about the 5-step process for any side project or any business. So this will be, the first step would be to produce valuable content for your audience. So this one can be in video format or image format. The second one would be have an opening offer. So this would be you offer a service or product for a cheap price for the customers to test your service or your product. So then only we go to the actual product that you're selling, which is the core product or the core service. So we want to make sure that customers come back to purchase from us. So we want, how can we get customers to purchase from us through a recurring model? And then the fifth one would be the VIP offer. So VIP offer, which means that something that you offer to your customers for your high paying customers. So you would be able to maximize your revenue as they go through this process. So, okay, so let's have an example on, let's say, e-commerce. So let's say if you wish to start an e-commerce store and let's say you're selling a skincare product. So if we go through this strategy, the first step that we will do is we will produce a value content. So let's say it could be something like how to get rid of acne, how to get rid of dark circles. Let's say another one is oily skin. So this content you can produce in the form of video, some maybe infographics, and also you can also write like a blog content. So now what we want to do is we want to give value upfront to the customers before we even ask them to buy anything from us. So the second one is your opening offer. So instead of, say, selling straight away the core product, you can have an opening offer, which means that for new customers, they will get 50% off. So the goal of actually the second step is not really to make money. It's more to like break even and also build trust with the customers. Because if you ask customers to straight away try a core product at full price, not to say that they wouldn't buy it at full price, it's just that it's harder to convert a new customer that have not heard of your brand at all and you want them to buy the product at like full price. So by having opening offer at, let's say, 50% off, then we can ask the customers to try our product first. So once the product is good, then they'll come back for the core product. That's where we can start to sell the core product at the full price. Okay, so run out of space, so I'll use a next bot. Okay, so once they have tried the opening offer and also they have purchased the core product, now we want to get them into a recurring model. So which means that, let's say we are selling like the earlier example of skincare products. Now instead of them, let's say for a product that we sell, we are selling for 200 ringgit. So instead of them buying this product 200 ringgit for like maybe like 1 year once, we want them to buy more often. So we can say that for customers who buy this product, say every 3 months, so every 3 months we will deliver this product to you. But if you buy the recurring model, we will give you like, say, a 20% off. So instead of them buying like 1 year at 200 ringgit, we can sell to them, let's say, every 3 months, right? So every quarter we'll be able to earn 200 times 4 and times 80% because we're giving a 20% discount. So by doing this, you can earn more for your e-commerce brand. So the fifth one would be a VIP offer. So for those customers that take up your offer of recurring product, they are more likely to buy your VIP offer because they already trust your brand so much. So let's say instead of selling them a 200 ringgit product, we can sell them a 1000 ringgit product. So in your case, let's say if you have another skincare product that is 1000, then you can start to pitch this 1000 product to them. If let's say your product is all within like the 200-300 ringgit range, you can do it like a 3-in-1 bundle. It's like, let's say product A is 200, product B is 300, product C is about 250. So if they buy all these together, these 3 products, they'll get, let's say, a discount. So you're giving them like a real bundle VIP offer. So there'll be 2 options. Either you sell a very high ticket product or you bundle few products and give them a discount. So that would be for e-commerce. So let's say if we look at this 5-step strategy for another type of side project. Okay, so e-commerce. So let's say we look at, this is for product business. So let's say, what if we try a service business? Let's say this one is web design. So again, let's say you're offering a web design service to businesses. So the first step is again, value content. So what you can do is like, you can do like 10 checklists every website should have to convert more visitors. So by following these 10 checklists, they'll be able to convert more visitors. So this one you can put it in the form of video format, infographics, and also blog content. So once this is done, then we move on to opening offer. So what can a web designer offer to their customers? So the first one that comes to mind is they can help them to register a .com for a low price. So let's say a .com, the original price is 100 ringgit. We will help you to register a .com for only 50 ringgit. So after you register the .com for them for 50 ringgit, so what is next? So then they will ask you that, can you help us to do a website? So that's when you go to step 3. So step 3 will be the core product or your core service lah, which means that you can start to help them to do a website. To do your web design service. So this one maybe you can charge about 3K. So let's say if you immediately ask the business owner to say that we want to charge you 3K for a website, no doubt you can actually do it also. But let's say if you have the step 1 and also step 2, then you have already built up that trust to the business owner, which means that it will be easier to charge them your core product pricing already. So the step 2, besides giving discounts for registering.com, you can also do like we help you to do logo design for say 50% off. So after the business have done the logo, then eventually the next logical step would be to do a website. So that's when they will find you as well lah. Okay, so after that, the 4th one would be recurring. So let's say if you have done a good job for your core product for this 3K, you can actually tell the business that, let's say next time if they wish to update the website, let's say they have new product or new services, then they can ask you to do that. So you can charge like maybe every 3 months. If they wish to update a website, you can charge them a certain amount of pricing, and you can also charge them like monthly maintenance of the website. Okay, so that will be the straightforward for recurring. And then the VIP offer, this will be quite interesting. So this one will be like, let's say if you charge 3K here, there's no other things to charge really, right? Unless you build another website for them. So the next thing that you can actually try is to maybe partner with a video production company, so that let's say if they do a video and they put it into the website, the chances of this video helping the website to increase points will be higher. Which means that let's say if you compare a website with just images and also words versus a website with images, words, and also videos, so customers would choose the one with video over the one that is just very boring with just words. So you can actually upsell them to, why not do a corporate video? So corporate video, if you can't do it, you can actually partner with a video production company, which means that so video people can actually charge like 8 to 20,000 for corporate video. So once this is done, you can help them to embed it to the website that you have already done, and also you will get a cut. Let's say if you split like 50-50 with a video production company. So that's when you can upsell your customers with a VIP offer for this web design service. Yeah, so this is just a very quick video on like the 5-step process that you can do for any side project that you wish to start. Like before you start a side project, maybe you can map out the plan first of this 5-step, then you can start, which means that the first step is to create a valuable content first. Second step is to what kind of opening offer can you offer for your product or service. Third step would be your core offer, and 4th step would be how can you build recurring models for your customers so you get a monthly recurring income. And the 5th step is how can you upsell your VIP customers, because they already trust you. So now's the time that you try to maximize the revenue model. So thanks guys. So it's a very quick video, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye.